Hey Beverly, good to see you. After having that fabulous pork tenderloin recipe with the Dijon marsala sauce, I decided I was going to tackle it. And I got everything ready, and all of a sudden I panicked because I had marsala that I didn't know if it was good or not. And so I called you, and of course you told me to pour it into a glass and check out the color. And the color was terrific, and it ended up, the dish was terrific.
Hi, this is Beverly enjoying some time in the beautiful outside today. And that was my friend Terry who was asking me about her marsala. Her bottle had been opened and she was wondering if it was still good. And the good news is it was. But here's the rule. If you have an unopened bottle of marsala, what you want to do is just store it like you do any other table wine in a cool, dark place. If you have an open bottle of marsala, put a cork back in it or put some kind of closure on it and put it in the refrigerator. And it will keep for at least a couple months. You know, it's possible you might lose some of the flavor or the quality of the wine, but it'll still be good for drinking or for cooking. You know, marsala has many, many lives. We think of it, of course, in sauces, chicken marsala, and of course the great pork recipe that Barbara and I have, but it's good in a salad. How about a marsala vinaigrette? Yum, yum, yum. Soups, how about mushroom soup with marsala, or a lobster bisque, or risotto? Oh, risotto is just wonderful. Or if you want to just jazz up your rice, yeah, put a little marsala in there. And it's also good in pasta dishes. Substitute another wine and use marsala. And of course desserts, tiramisu, yes, and how about just pouring it over some ice cream? Now what I'm having here, you can drink your marsala alone, but I love this cocktail. Marsala, a little club soda, and yeah, a little lime. So here's to the many lives of marsala. Cheers.